Oh yes guys, welcome back to another episode of today's In Crypto Show. We are seeing Bitcoin just close in the month of June, the highest ever monthly close for Bitcoin in the history. This is absolutely bullish, incredible. We have so much buying power from the corporations, from the governments, and Trump is about to pump the heck out of every asset class, including stocks and crypto. We have a lot to talk about, including $1 trillion bank that is getting involved in the crypto space. Let's get the show on the road, and I want to start by showing you guys this incredible chart. This is a monthly chart for Bitcoin and how we're seeing the monthly close for the month of June. $107,000. This is the highest ever monthly close that we ever had in history, which is incredible to see. So we are continue moving forward, and the past 3 months, the past quarter was absolutely phenomenal. 30% up in the last 3 months quarter. It was an incredible quarter, and we are all anticipating we're inches away for the next big bullish break to the next price targets. We are sniffing it, the next price appreciation target for Bitcoin. We're seeing, guys, that the $5 trillion Fidelity among the first applying for Bitcoin and crypto bank charter. This is a huge bank, and banks are coming. This is very, very massive. We just closed a very bullish month. July is bullish for the US stock market. Bitcoin and crypto will follow. We're seeing that Trump is getting ready to replace the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, calling him too late. He wants to put in place his right hand, Besant, and he wants to lower interest rate to 1%. Now imagine what happens when the interest rates goes to 1%. Of course, they have a huge national debt that they need to repay, but all the assets are going to go up, right? So Trump is going to turbo inflate everything, destroy the US dollars. Why destroy the US dollars? Because with this environment, it's more money that is being printed. Pretty much everyone who can afford to invest gets more poor as their buying power gets eroded. Crypto, real estate, watches, rare cars, etc., go up like crazy. Okay, so get ready. If you don't own the assets, right now is the time to get in. We're seeing that his companies continue to raise capital to buy Bitcoin. American Bitcoin raises $215 million for Bitcoin acquisition and mining expansion. This is cryptocurrency mining company backed by Eric Trump and Donald Trump. We're seeing $1 trillion Deutsche Bank to launch Bitcoin and crypto custody by 2026. So huge banks, again, are being onboarded fully into Bitcoin and crypto. We're seeing Donald Trump yet again launching on Elon Musk statements that basically asking to deport Elon Musk. I mean, look at this. He says Elon Musk could lose a lot more than EV mandate, and he actually is talking about that Elon Musk to send him back to where is this? I want to find it for you. To send Elon Musk back to South Africa. Can you imagine that? There is a big rivalry right now between Elon Musk and President Trump. Elon may get more subsidy than any human being in history. Elon would probably have to close up shop and head back to South Africa. This is what he just saved. No more rocket launches, satellites, or electric car production. Our country would save a fortune. Such a big mess between these two very rich and very influential people that started on such a good note, and it ended up not on a good note. Saylor's strategy to post $14 billion in profit in Q2. This is an insane amount of money that they just printed because Bitcoin closed the highest ever monthly close ever. So buying Bitcoin has made it as profitable as JP Morgan and Amazon. This is huge for Michael Saylor and the companies. Is buying like crazy. Ethereum, well, Ethereum I expect to start performing. I want to show you why Ethereum can finally go to this $10,000 coveted level in this cycle, in this very prolonged cycle, I should say. It is because of this. The Robinhood just went full crypto native, launching tokenized US stocks on Arbitrum, right, which is layer 2 on Ethereum, building their own Ethereum layer 2 solution, rolling out stake in the US. TradFi, traditional finance, is onboarding on Ethereum. The rails are being laid. So we're talking about tokenized stocks, perpetual futures, and its own Ethereum layer 2 blockchain. So Ethereum just getting stronger because Robinhood is huge financial services provider globally over there. So think about it. Tokenized stock trading. It's already live on Kraken, on Bybit, on Solana DeFi ecosystem. You can buy X stocks. Literally, you can buy stocks on chain. Invest in the US stock market on chain. Coin, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla. It's coming on chain. You can invest in this company on chain. Think about how crazy it is, but it is a reality. In amount that as well as on Solana-backed decentralized finance platform. More than 60 tokenized stocks are now available on crypto exchanges, Kraken, Bybit, as well as Solana-based. I'm gonna go on Bybit and buy some stocks of McDonald's or something. So yeah, this is incredible news. We are seeing that Bitget partners with Mastercard to launch a Bitcoin crypto card. So yet again, expanding crypto Mastercard. Golden Cross is coming. Golden Cross is imminent over here. And whenever we have this Golden Cross on the Ichimoku, it's like Ichimoku Cloud, we can print to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting of. And this current cycle is a lengthening cycle, right? It's a lengthening cycle because right now we are 15 months post halving, and we're still not even close yet to the peak because no retail mania yet. We haven't seen a retail mania. We haven't seen a strategic Bitcoin reserve approved yet, right? We haven't seen the Federal Reserve cut rates yet. So that is to show, and not a single indicator showing that it is actually at the top. So we have a lengthening cycle. So more to expect from this cycle, right? The selling pressure from Bitcoin miners continues to fall, according to CryptoQuant. So that's good. Less sales pressure, better for Bitcoin. We did close 30% over the months quarter of Q2 in 2025 for crypto. So 30% gains is incredible. Now we start the Q3 of the year. So Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, which is the right hand of Donald Trump, potentially becoming the Federal Reserve Chairman next. That's going to be incredible if it happens, for sure. Public companies bought over 160,000 Bitcoin in Q2, and only 40,000 were mined. So that's 120,000 Bitcoin more bought than were mined. That's incredible. So that's what we are seeing right now happening in the market. The Bitcoin dominance is still quite high. Ethereum is still in this range of $2,440 right now. Based on how it closed the months of June, we didn't see much of a fallback. It was a tiny little. I mean, look at May. May is a crazy bullish month for Ethereum, and I expect a continuation of this trend. We're just hitting a little bit of resistance at $2,500 because look at this price action over here during August, September, October times. And I expect continuation of Ethereum to the upside. Solana trading on $148. So yeah, in my opinion, there's so much of the price action around these levels. So Ethereum ETFs, Solana ETFs coming. Things are being built, tokenized stocks on Solana. I think this ecosystem is just waiting to be exploded. So on the altcoin side, well, you gotta be patient. The next couple of months are gonna be epic. Let's take a look at 3 months, right? Look at how this quarter ended. So the next 3 months are gonna be incredible for the crypto altcoins. That's my take on it, at least. You can find below a strategy on copy trading. It's on a new exchange called Nivex. You can check it out. I'm gonna post a tutorial on that. Currently, it is available only as an app. Very soon, also as a web browser as well. Check it out. It's a copy trading strategy that has produced over 10% over the last 10 months. So that's incredible, and over $2 million in profits for its traders. And you don't need to do anything. You just plug in it, activate it, and that's it. Start making profits with this, okay? So that's what I want to share with you today on today's In Crypto show. Hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next episode of today's In Crypto show.